Hello students, so we are going to see the second sub question of question number 6. So it says if the variance of a week's production is 100, then find the lower bound on the probability that this week's production will be between 400 and 600 using Chebyshev's inequality. So in the previous questions we have defined x as a random variable which denotes the number of items produced in a factory during a week, right? A week, right? Now in this question we have given the information that the variance of the week's production is 100. That means we have given the variance of x which is 100, which is nothing but we can write it as sigma square, and we have to find the lower bound on the probability that this week's production will be between this range 400 and 600 using Chebyshev's inequality. So we are going to use, and we know that from the previous question that mu or expectation of x is 500, right? Now we have to find the probability that x is between 400 and 600. Okay, so how can we find? So we are using the variant of a Chebyshev inequality. So we can write it as, by using the Chebyshev inequality, x minus mu greater than or equals to c, which is less than or equal to sigma square by c square. This is to find the lower bound, right? Lower bound on the probability. So what is mu here? It's 500. X is lying between 400 to 600. That means c is equals to 100, right? And then to find this probability, we can just substitute the value of sigma square here and c square here. So this is nothing but c. So sigma square will be equals to 100 divided by c square is 100 square. So it will be nothing but probability that mod of x minus 500 greater than 100 is less than or equals to 1 by 100. So this is the lower bound on the probability, which is 0.01.